Turns out you can do the Maldives on a budget, and it all started for me by landing in Malé and heading straight to the local island of Maafushi. As soon as you come out of the arrival area, you walk a long time to reach the departure area. You come to this food court which has all the information center and a lot of tour operators, taxi, ATM, everything. And this is how you just come out, and here are the local ferries. Okay, welcome to Malé. This is the site just after you land on the airport. I'm waiting for my ferry which leaves at 3:35 to go to Maafushi. This is me, just landed, and that's the airport behind me. It's a very good looking airport too, but the waters are like too much, man. It's quite hot, it's 31 degree, but you don't feel it. The breeze is pretty nice. Full White Lotus vibes. That's the JW Marriott ferry. I finally found my boat. This one is mine. Going to Maafushi. I took a shared speedboat to Maafushi, which leaves from the airport, stops at Malé and Guli, and then continues on to Maafushi. The journey takes about 45 minutes in total. We finally arrived in Maafushi. Oh, welcome to Maafushi. So you know how resorts are one of the biggest costs in Maldives? But you can also find Airbnbs, like I found one. This is an Airbnb in Maafushi. So this is what Maafushi is like. But this is also what Maafushi is like. I know it's a glorious sunset, but there are also these construction happening all through the island. The reason I selected Maafushi was because it was cheap, close to Malé, and also many of the activities actually start from here, so that was pretty cool. The lane from my Airbnb, I was recommended these hotels: Lobster, Navio, Nara I think is a bit farther ahead. Oh, this is cool, isn't it? Maafushi, heart of Maldives. Okay, so I'm out and about in Maafushi. It's going to be sunset very soon. This is me. And this is some party going on, some flea market. Wow. There's the Ara Juice Bar. I think it's one of the best views here. Look at the sun. And that is the sun setting on Maafushi. The final minutes next to Ara Coffee Bar. Juice Bar, actually it's Juice Bar. And this is me, just had a shower. It was such a long trip from Malé, although it shouldn't have been, but it was hot. Waiting for fish and rice, and this is the lime juice. Everything here is so fancy. But the thing is that food in Maldives is very expensive. So a meal is like 2,000, 3,000 Indian rupees. It's a great view, let me show you. Okay, I'm still waiting for the fish. It's been such a long time. But I got this garlic rice and salad, which I've begun having. And this is the fish finally that arrives. barely finished the fish, but look at these two waiting for it. This is Maafushi at night. It's low season, so very few people right now. And I basically wanted to show that boat right at the end. Apparently that's a bar in the middle of the water because alcohol is banned. So you can actually go there to get alcohol. I don't intend to, but that's what it's supposed to be. So these are the inner lanes of Maafushi streets. Okay, just as I spoke, the lights came on. Must be motion censored. And it's very, very quiet. They're walking inwards, and I see some very interesting stores with some nice swimwear. I loved shopping here. There were plenty of local products at reasonable prices. This morning I'm hurrying to go to Arena Beach Hotel, the shark tour. I'm a bit scared what it will entail, but hopefully it will be fun. So I finally reached Arena Hotel, and that's the hotel. It's really nice. There's a Kani hotel next to it, the buffet breakfast area. Such a crowd there for morning here, and there's only one shark tour, so that way I think it's quite good, but I've been asked to wait.
Okay, so we are here to help you throughout the trip. Okay, so first of all we'll be heading directly to the local island Fulidhoo from here. The stingrays from the beach, you can make pictures with it. Just take your mobile phone or camera with you to take pictures.
Welcome to Maldives. This is the beautiful island of Fulidhoo, and I can see stingrays behind me. Oh, I'm with Anna here in Fulidhoo. Fulidhoo is another inhabited local island in the Vavu atoll and a popular stop for getting close to stingrays. Every day, dozens glide into the shallow waters near the jetty, drawn by fish scraps from local fishing boats. Also, can you believe this was July? Right in the middle of the monsoon season, yet not a speck of rain. You can also take drone photos here, although there is often a long queue on group tours. Anna, you moved from Croatia to Maldives,
Yes,
right?
That's right, that's
Okay,
right.
and why? Why did you move?
Well, first time when I came as a tourist, I completely fell in love with Maldives, like the vibe here, the ocean, all the time it's summertime, like it's very hot and sunny. Switched to being a tour guide, and then again they sent me to Maldives.
And now it's your
Yeah,
home.
and now
Blacktip, two species of sharks. Okay, so we are going to swim with them, and also we will do the drone photos with them, and we're going to take underwater pictures and videos with them as well. Okay?
Shark Bay is famous for its large population of nurse sharks, which are generally harmless to humans. And even though I cannot swim, the guides help me navigate underwater and watch these magnificent creatures up close. Maldives is home to hundreds of sandbanks, many of which can only be reached by boat and disappear beneath the sea as the tide changes. Okay, that sounds scary. Now this is a sandbank. We are approaching a sandbank for our lunch. Okay, this is Sandbank, the famous Maldivian sandbanks, and we are having a picnic here, like lunch. And this is a sandbank is quite literally just that. It's a bank of sand in the middle of water. So you can see a resort over there. It's a private resort, like it stretches all the way. You can see the water here. Oh my god, just look at the colors. And then there are some and you can see some birds over there. Ooh. Just don't fly, birds, just don't fly. Okay, that's beautiful too. Oh my god, they're like pristine white. Lunch was garlic rice, chicken, juice, and an apple, and gosh, was I famished. So I was really in two minds about coming to Maldives. I'm not really a beach person, and I don't like lounging around on the beach the whole day, just soaking in the sun. You know, we have enough sun, and I don't find it very enjoyable, and I don't even swim, so that it was not something which I thought I would really enjoy. But Maldives is very unique in the way the whole country is structured, in the way these people are so chill. Guy on the top of the boat, just chilling, you know, and everybody just chills here. The ocean is amazing, the underwater creatures are amazing. It's a very different kind of a country, and I'm glad I came. Are you ever going to go back?
Well, I thought that I am going to go after the 2 years, but now...
No, you love Maldives. Lazybum, get up. Hello. Just now it was meowing like there was no tomorrow. The local islands usually do not allow bikinis, but the resorts do. It's quite a busy beach. A lot of people. Not too pretty, but good if you're in Maafushi in the evening. This is my last day in Maafushi. I just had 2 days here, but they were 2 power pack days. And I quite enjoyed myself, despite what I'd heard of it. It's basic, but it gives you everything your heart desires for a fraction of the cost. Up in the morning for sunrise, and this is what I see. Soccer match. They are cheering a soccer match. It's funny. I woke up this morning thinking that no one's going to be awake and it was dark. But as soon as I got out, I see celebration. I hear a lot of celebration. And it was the Argentina versus Cape Verde match going on in Foodland Park next to my hotel. So a lot of cheering, a lot of partying. This is how the coastline looks from one end. This is the whole of Maafushi, you can see stretched out. So I'm walking from one end of the shore to the other end. You can see the sea there as well. This is a harbor and that's the sea. Let's go check it out. And this is the prison. So the island is so chill. They have these hammock like chairs instead of actual plastic chairs. Pretty cool. And that there is the Maafushi mosque. All the women cleaning the whole city this morning. So in this small little town, they have managed to put everything in. Okay, after a lot of walking, trying to locate a place to take the perfect sunrise picture, here I am. This is where the sun rises in Maafushi. Pretty cool, huh? I always try to catch both a sunrise and a sunset wherever I travel, just to experience a destination at its best. So while returning, I took the same escape boat, which cost me $17. So I'm leaving Maafushi and going to Malé. And I had a fun 2 days. What I realized though is that it's easy to do Maldives if you have a package, but not so easy when you're trying to do it on your own. It can be quite challenging. That's where my boat will come. Ferry point. Maafushi surprised me. I arrived with very low expectations, but I loved its relaxed vibe, the great food, the friendly people, and how easy it was to explore on my own.